Hey bosses! Okay, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, stop what you're doing, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and then I'm going to get into what we're talking about today. First of all, hi, how are you doing? I've missed you guys so much. I love you. How are you? How's everything been going? Let me hear. Okay, tell me more. I'm proud of you. Okay, so first of all, I have a very exciting video today because I'm doing an unboxing. Oh, how embarrassing. I'm doing an unboxing. So bring light. Okay, so first of all, shout out to Teeny Weeny. That's my mother. Don't call her that, by the way. Don't call her that. My mother, yes, she cares about me and she loves me enough to have ordered this ring light for me. So let's look at the beginning. What does it say? It says 3 colors. It has 10 adjustable brightnesses. It's a USB power supply and it's convenient to carry. So it's by Fitness, Uphightinnis. I don't know. You have been randomly selected as one of our 2,000 lucky among hundreds of thousands of customers. VIP whoopie whoop. Thank y'all. Okay, instruction manual that I won't be reading until I don't know what I'm doing. Perfect. Wonderful. Okay, and y'all, this is an unboxing, so just like me, I mean, y'all are seeing this stuff for the first time, just like I'm seeing this stuff for the first time. So this is the actual stand thingy. Let me back up a little bit. The matrix at the bottom. Look, let's see that again. Let's see that again. Oh, I did it again. Y'all look at that. Anyway, okay. So I'm assuming it stands like this. Okay. Oh yes. So I have a tripod already for my camera, so I know that this is how you extend. First of all, I dare my child to say, first of all, just kidding. No, I would never do that to my child. Never. No, but seriously, okay. It's a little tall, like shit. Okay, y'all. So let's lock this into place. Let's lock this bad boy in. Okay, so down here. Ooh, and touch the ceiling. Okay, you turn this little knob to lock it. Again, I only know this because I have a tripod myself. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna stand up. Okay, so I'm 5'9". This is the. If I can't find okay, no, but for real. Okay, so I'm 5'9". This is how tall it is. Okay, anyway. Again, I'm 5'9". All right, this is how tall it is. So it's probably like 5'7", 5'6". All right, so here comes the intriguing part. What is this? Oh, this is gonna be exciting. Okay, this is the phone. Where's the damn manual? All right, this is the phone clip. This is where your phone goes into, y'all. I don't know what this stuff is. I said that's the phone clip. What is this then? What is this? What the hell is that? Alright. I hate having to read a manual. I know what this is. Boom. This is my clicker. Take my picture. I know what that is. Okay. Okay. This is my life. I want to learn how to make it. I want to learn how to use the camera. Okay, no, but for real. Okay. It's the USB that does something. This says up, down, power. I'm assuming this screws into the top. So hold on, give me a second. Okay, so boom. This camera This is the little, take a picture when it's connected. So you turn that on. It's a little thingy that it goes in. Okay, so I don't know if this needs to be charged. I don't know, y'all. So I'm gonna go plug this into my laptop, see if it works. And then we're gonna see. Okay, so we're gonna do this together for the first time. That's why it works. So I didn't get a computer because clearly I'm an idiot. USB means I can go into one of them little wall plugs. All right, let's see. Power. It's on, y'all. Okay, so I'm excited. I'm happy. It's on. It's on. No, for real. Let's see. All right, so I just turned off my lights. This is the ring light. Let's go through. Okay, so this is turning my brightness down. Really cool. Dimmed it. I look cute. Okay. Whoa, bright. Let's switch it to another mode. Oh. Okay. Cool undertones. Okay, ghost stories in this. Ooh, I love it. Brighten me back up and let's go. Oh, so I'm warm. So I'm salsa. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Does the brightness go up and down for this? Let's see. Oh, okay. So this is so basically, yeah, y'all, da 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 da. And then one night, he's dead. I love it. Okay. So basically, if you don't, hold on. If you cannot tell, I'm clearly excited. If you don't have a ring light, ask your mother to buy you one. Just kidding, no, but for real. I think it was like, what, $26? Get it. Like, this is awesome. I'm excited to use this. Y'all are going to see so much more of me because I don't have to be like, dark outside, have it no light. Till there's no more excuses, baby. You got this ring light. So you need to get these people what they need, what they've been asking for, what they've been looking for, what they've been wanting from the business genie. And guess what I'm going to do, babies? I'm going to try my hardest. I'm going to try my damnedest to get y'all what y'all need because this ring light is giving me life. It's giving me growth. It's giving me manifestation. It's giving me exuberance. It's giving me melanin popping. It's giving me everything that I need. I love it. I'm excited. So, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. Follow me on Instagram at the Royal Boss Network. Like me on Facebook at Royal Boss Network. And because we got this, let me get my TikTok dance. Because we got this pretty light, I'm about to be back on what they're doing. Make it out. Shake it out. Alright, no, but for real, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if this encouraged you to purchase a ring light, give this video a thumbs up because I know if I was watching this video, it would make one person so I could be in there and be like, get it, go ring light, go ring. I'm so excited. Okay, y'all. Bye. See you later.